Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y33s. In this video I'll show you how to take selfie using palm gesture. In the beginning, enter camera. Now tap this button to go to settings. Enter shutter and switch this button on. Now you'll be able to take selfies using palm gesture. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.